Python list reverse method. In this video, we will learn about reverse method of list object, its syntax and examples. Consider a list of items. When we call reverse method on this list, the method reverses the order of items in the list. The first item becomes the last item and the last item becomes the first item. Second item becomes the last but one item and the last but one item becomes the second item and so on. Now let us go through some examples. First example, take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, mango. Consider that we have to reverse this fruits list. Call reverse method on fruits list. Print the resulting list to the output. Now save and run the program. The reverse method reversed the order of items in the fruits list. In the second example, let us take a list of numbers. Numbers is equal to 10, 20 and 30. Call reverse method on this numbers list. Print the resulting list to the output. Now save and run the program. The reverse method reversed the order of items in the given numbers list. In this video, we have covered how to use reverse method of list object to reverse the order of items in a given list with a couple of examples. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.